Given the fact that in Israel and also other Middle Eastern countries have such a lack of water, a friend of mine has done some hydroponic growing in Bahrain. So, how developed is that in Israel? Hydroponics takes, you know, about 97% less water than traditional horizontal farming. Is that the wave of the one of the waves of the future?
It is absolutely one of the waves of the future. However, that's not one of the main agricultural practices here. So, what precision agriculture is it basically like it's in the ground agriculture, but it there are sensors in the soil and hoses next to each plant, which is drip irrigation, which drips
Okay.
drops of water next to each plant. But the sensors are actually some level of AI, of artificial intelligence, and they work with aerial images of the ground. And basically, what they do is they sense the roots of the plants, what it needs. When the root asks for a particular nutrient, the sensor will hear this and will give it the nutrient. When the root asks for water, the sensor senses this and will give it the water. And so you're only giving the plant what it's asking for, nothing more, nothing less. So there are huge cost savings involved because it's no longer like a guessing game of like, what do we think the plants need? It's like, you can literally see exactly what the plants needs for optimal health and nothing more, nothing less. And there's actually a few technologies in Israel that are implementing this, which are scalable for any of you looking for these kinds of solutions for your land. So again, this will be like a great thing to reach out to us about. We'd be happy to talk to you about it. So the two of them together will probably work really well together, especially for places where there isn't that much land. Hydroponics would probably take more root, but Bahrain and Israel have very similar ecosystems, but here it's more precision agriculture. In Bahrain, it's more hydroponics.